Welcome to Pentaho's Big Data Template of the Week. In this week's session, we'll be connecting to Google Analytics in a live session and linking that data with marketing data from an external data source. The InstaView template demonstrates how easy it is to enrich the Google Analytics data with outside data sources using Pentaho's InstaView. The template being used is the Google Analytics Market Spend template, which links these data sources together. So let's get started. I create new, select samples, and Google Analytics Market Spend. The dialog that appears allows me to put in my connection details for Google Analytics. When I say OK, the model begins to process where it pulls the data from Google Analytics and matches it up with the data we've provided from our marketing organization. At this point, you'll notice in the Fields Available area, I have 3 measures and 9 categories that I can use to create a view to help drive understanding and decisions. Dragging visitors into the measures allows me to see the total number of visitors to the website during the selected time period. I can drag country into the view and see the number of visitors by country. I can also view this graphically. For example, I can view it as a line chart. To make more meaning out of this, I would want to sort the values from high to low, thus giving me a real good example of where I'm strongest in my markets. Now I can focus on those countries that are most meaningful to me by selecting them and performing a keep only. I now see where the US, Brazil, Spain, Italy, Germany, and the UK are clearly the strongest geos where we operate. This, of course, is not anything you wouldn't get from Google Analytics directly. So now let's look at how the decision process is enhanced by linking in additional data sources. In this example, I am pulling in marketing data from my internal marketing systems. In the data, I have 2 measures: total addressable market, which is the total number of potential users of my product, and the new product introduction cost, which is the cost to introduce and launch a product in each country. I now drag total addressable market into my view and switch to a table. I can begin to see how the number of hits relates to the total market size for these regions. I next create a user-defined calculated measure called market penetration percentage. Which is the total visitors divided by addressable market. I set this condition to red, green, yellow, and I quickly get a sense of the market penetration we have for these markets. I next want to drag in my new product introduction cost, which will help me understand what my costs are by country. I'm now going to calculate another measure, this time cost per visitor. Cost per visitor is new product intro divided by number of visitors. The cost per visitor now shows me more about the opportunity cost of each region. From this view, I can change to a geo map. The geo map lays out the same information in a map format, confirming that the US is a strong market for us and that Brazil and Germany are also areas where we can justify further marketing spend to drive market penetration. In just a very short amount of time, you were able to see just how easy it is to combine Google Analytics with data from other data sources, ensuring that future marketing dollars are spent in the geographies where we see our greatest upside potential. Thanks for watching this week's Template of the Week. For more information, please visit us at pentajobigdata.com.